Hi everyone, I'm CEO from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook profile picture. Removing your profile picture can help you update your look or maintain privacy by keeping your profile less visible. So let's dive into how to delete your Facebook profile picture. First, open the Facebook app. Go to your Facebook profile by tapping on the profile option from the bottom of your screen. Tap on the camera icon at the bottom right corner of your profile picture. Tap on the See Profile Picture option. Here, you can find the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Tap on the Delete Photo option. Finally, tap on the Delete option to confirm and delete your Facebook profile picture. And this is how you can delete your Facebook profile picture. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.